David Shaw here with another off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., come visit my site, offtherecordtours.com. Let's go. Tonight I'm at the base of Capitol Hill at a site where few visitors come, the Fountain of Light and Water. Locals call it the Bartholdi Fountain, named after its creator, Frederick Auguste Bartholdi. You may know Bartholdi from one of his other works, the Statue of Liberty. The fountain was cast in Paris, then shipped to Philadelphia and displayed at the 1876 Centennial Exposition. Its combination of iron, gas, light, and water was a symbol of the modern world the exposition was celebrating. Bartholdi had another work he was showing there, the Torch of the Statue of Liberty. It was part of a fundraising drive for the statue's pedestal and base. America became sort of a line of business for Bartholdi. He made a statue of the Marquis de Lafayette in New York and one of Lafayette and George Washington in Paris. Bartholdi was hoping to find a buyer for the fountain at the exposition, but the only offer came from Congress. So he sold it to them for $6,000, and it was shipped off to Washington and installed in 1878 on the Mall in front of the Capitol. It was moved to this location in 1932. For some reason, the lights aren't on tonight, but when the gas lamps were converted to electric, the fountain was a major attraction because it was one of the first public displays of electric light. At night, people swarmed to see this display of light and water. Not too many visitors come here, but if you're visiting the Capitol, walk the extra block to 1st Street and Independence Avenue Southwest. It's part of a wonderful garden maintained by the folks at the U.S. Botanic Garden. Night or day, it's a wonderful sight. Well, I hope you enjoyed that off-the-record story. If you want to learn more about Washington, D.C., things seen and unseen, arrange your tour of your nation's capital at offtherecordtours.com. Until then, I'm David Shaw.